Tired of looking at that ugly basement floor? Whether it's cracked concrete, outdated carpet, or just bare subflooring, your basement deserves better. Most homeowners think basements are destined to be dark, damp spaces, but the right flooring can completely transform your area into a stunning living space. In this guide, we're revealing the 10 best basement flooring options for 2026, including revolutionary materials that handle moisture better than ever before. Ready to transform your basement? Let's explore these game-changing options. Luxury Vinyl Plank (LVP). Luxury vinyl plank flooring has become the gold standard for basement installations, and for good reason. This innovative flooring perfectly mimics hardwood, stone, or tile while being 100% waterproof, a crucial feature for below-grade spaces. Modern LVP features advanced wear layers that resist scratches, dents, and stains, making it ideal for high-traffic basement areas. Installation is incredibly DIY-friendly, with click-lock systems that float over existing concrete without adhesives or nails. The foam backing provides insulation and comfort underfoot, addressing the cold concrete problem. LVP handles temperature fluctuations without expanding or contracting, ensuring your floor stays flat year-round. Top brands now offer LVP with built-in antimicrobial properties that prevent mold and mildew growth. Quality LVP ranges from $3 to $8 per square foot, making it an excellent value. Polished concrete. Polished concrete represents the ultimate in modern, industrial chic basement flooring. This process involves grinding the existing concrete floor with progressively finer diamond pads until it achieves a glossy, mirror-like finish. The result is a seamless, extremely durable surface that's naturally moisture-resistant and requires minimal maintenance. The polishing process densifies the concrete, making it less porous and more resistant to stains, dust, and moisture penetration. Modern polishing techniques can incorporate decorative elements like colored stains, metallic epoxies, or aggregate exposure to create unique, artistic patterns. This customization allows you to achieve anything from subtle elegance to bold, contemporary statements. Ceramic and porcelain tile. Ceramic and porcelain tiles remain among the most versatile and reliable basement flooring choices, especially with the innovative designs available in 2026. Modern large-format tiles create fewer grout lines, giving a cleaner appearance while reducing maintenance requirements. Porcelain tiles offer superior water resistance and durability compared to standard ceramic options. Wood-look porcelain tiles have reached incredible realism levels, featuring authentic grain patterns and subtle color variations that perfectly mimic hardwood floors. Stone-look tiles offer similar authenticity, reproducing marble veining to slate textures with remarkable accuracy. Installation requires proper waterproof membrane systems beneath the tile. Epoxy flooring systems. Epoxy flooring has evolved far beyond basic garage coatings to become a sophisticated basement flooring solution. Modern epoxy systems create seamless, chemical-resistant surfaces that can handle everything from spilled drinks to flooding without damage. The non-porous surface prevents mold and mildew growth while being incredibly easy to clean and maintain. Decorative epoxy options include metallic finishes that create stunning patterns resembling flowing water or molten metal. Flake systems add texture and visual interest while providing slip resistance. Solid color epoxies can be customized to match any design scheme. Engineered hardwood. Engineered hardwood brings the warmth and beauty of real wood to basement spaces where solid hardwood would fail due to moisture concerns. The multi-layer construction features a real wood veneer over a stable plywood or HDF core that resists expansion and contraction better than solid wood. Modern engineered floors include moisture barriers and can handle higher humidity levels typical in basement environments. Rubber flooring. Rubber flooring has transformed from basic gym mats to sophisticated, designer-worthy basement solutions. Modern rubber floors offer incredible comfort underfoot, natural insulation properties, and complete moisture immunity, making them perfect for basement applications. The material naturally resists mold, mildew, and bacteria while providing excellent sound absorption for multi-level homes. Contemporary rubber flooring comes in hundreds of colors, patterns, and textures, including options that mimic wood, stone, or abstract artistic designs. Laminate flooring. Modern laminate flooring has overcome many of its early limitations to become a viable basement option when properly installed. Water-resistant and waterproof laminate options now available can handle basement humidity and minor moisture exposure without the swelling and warping issues of older products. The realistic wood and stone visuals rival much more expensive materials at a fraction of the cost. AC rating systems help you choose appropriate durability levels for your specific basement use. Carpet tiles. Carpet tiles offer unique advantages for basement installations, combining the warmth and comfort of carpeting with practical benefits traditional broadloom can't match. Individual tiles can be replaced if damaged by moisture or stains, making them ideal for basements where occasional water issues might occur. The modular system allows for creative patterns and color combinations while providing easy access to utilities beneath the floor. Modern carpet tiles feature moisture-resistant backing systems and quick-drying fibers that prevent mold and mildew growth. Design possibilities range from solid colors to complex geometric patterns with looks and artistic designs. Concrete staining and scoring. Concrete staining transforms boring gray concrete into beautiful, artistic flooring that rivals expensive natural stone or tile. Acid stains react chemically with concrete to create permanent, variegated colors that won't chip, peel, or fade over time. Water-based stains offer more color options and easier application while providing excellent durability. Scoring techniques add geometric patterns, borders, or artistic designs that break up large concrete expanses. Diamond blade scoring creates precise lines that can mimic tile patterns, wood planks, or custom artistic designs. Hybrid vinyl and SPC flooring. Stone plastic composite, SPC, and hybrid vinyl represent the latest evolution in basement flooring technology. These innovative products combine the best aspects of laminate, vinyl, and tile into waterproof, extremely durable flooring systems. The rigid core construction provides dimensional stability, while the vinyl wear layer offers superior scratch and stain resistance. SPC flooring handles temperature fluctuations better than traditional vinyl while providing warmth and comfort. The click-lock installation system creates tight, waterproof seams that prevent moisture penetration. The realistic visuals available include authentic wood grains, stone textures, and contemporary patterns that look completely natural. And that covers our complete guide to the 10 best basement flooring options for 2026. From waterproof luxury vinyl to stunning polished concrete, from budget-friendly staining to high-tech hybrid materials, these options prove your basement can have flooring just as beautiful as any room in your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tutorials. Thank you for watching.